Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Guilt. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this emoji as your iMessage image or as your contact photo. Now, unfortunately, this is exclusive only for iPhone users, but there's an alternative for those of you who are not an iPhone user. So anyways, if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. We'll be right back. The wink didn't work out right. Well, it's improving. It's improving technology. Be right back. So guys, and welcome back. As I mentioned, I'm going to be showing you how to use this emoji as your iMessage picture or as your profile picture. As you can see, this is the emoji that I created already. I kind of customized it to my liking and reflective of myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I did it right now, and I'm going to show you the steps of how I did so. Also, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to follow us on social media, on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook. And while you're at it, go ahead down there. You see that red button that says subscribe? Just go ahead and smash it while you're at it. And that big thumb, that blue thumb, yep, somewhere down there. Yeah, go ahead and smash that too, because this video is going to be interesting. Anyhow, let's get straight to it. I'm just going to go ahead and position my face and set it. Choose, and I can choose any color I want. Now, I'm going to hit use, and we are good to go. And I'm going to set it for contacts only. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that right now. Let me just go ahead and close all these tabs. I showed too much private information already, but what the hell. All right, so to begin with, we're going to go to settings. You're going to come all the way down. As you can see, I have my picture here already. We're going to come all the way down to messages. And you're going to click this button here that says share name and photo. And you can select your name, put a name whatever you want. I can put it as Tech Guilt, I can put it as my real name, whatever the case being. And this option down here which says share automatic, this one's really important. For myself, I only want my contacts to be able to see my name and my message pictures. It's just a personal preference, or I could always select to always ask. Either way, I'm fine with either options. Now, you want to make sure that this option is selected where it says name and photo sharing. It just kind of allows people to be able to see your picture. As you can see, I have it up here. So you may or may not have an image already, but we're going to go ahead and create one right now. So just go ahead and click where it says edit. And as you can see, it's given us a few options. You can either choose to have your initials. You can either have any of your previous pictures. This was one of the pictures that I used when I was setting up my iPhone. Or you can just go ahead and pick one of these Animojis down here. If you haven't created the emoji already, I would definitely recommend you go ahead and do that. You can customize on skin color, on hairstyle, anything you want, you can create it right in here. So since I've already done that, I'm just going to disregard those, and I'm going to go ahead and select my emoji. As you can see, I'm talking to you guys right now virtually. I wish this thing had fingers because I feel like my hand is doing a fair amount of expression here. But anyhow, you're just going to go ahead and position your face to however you want your emoji to look, whether it be sticking your tongue out, well, that was kind of cool, or just kind of looking fly, do whatever you want to do. So in this case, I'm just going to stick my tongue out. Boom. And I took the picture, and I'm going to hit choose. And with that, you can select any color that you want, any color that your heart so desires. Now, this yellow is really getting it to me, so I'm going to choose that one. And I'm going to hit done. And now I'm going to hit use. And there you are, guys. This is exactly how you get to use your emoji as your iMessage logo. So if you've enjoyed this video, again, please be sure to hit that blue button down there with a big thumbs up. And the one right next to it, its cousin, that says subscribe. Peace, guys, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.